Many a sci-fi thriller is going to have a scene where an astronaut becomes stranded out in space. The tether line holding them to their shuttle is severed, and they must make some sacrifice, casting some object into the void, propelling them back toward their spacecraft. So this question is pretty similar. And this type of situation, we would call this an explosion. So we start off with two objects together, and then they're separated, and they travel in opposite directions. So to approach this question, it's pretty simple. We would just have mass 1, velocity 1, and that's going to be equal to mass 2, velocity 2. So in our situation, we know the mass 1 is going to be our oxygen tank, which is 11 kilograms, and it's traveling with a velocity of 12.2 meters per second. Over on the right side, we know our astronaut has a much larger mass, and momentum will be conserved. So the bigger mass means our astronaut will travel at a smaller velocity in the opposite direction. So to move this around and solve for V2, we would multiply 11 times 12.2 and then divide that by the mass of our astronaut being the 61.2. That will give us 2.193 meters per second. And that would be it.